Now we assemble the front fender and the front wheel into the bike, to the frame. Okay, so we start to, you see there is some hardware, and then so you see the front fender. There is a bracket to the front fork hole, and then use a bolt through the hole and fix the front fork on the front fender on the front fork. Tighten the nut. Okay. So we can fix the brace on the forks before we put the front wheel. Okay, and then the other side. Okay, so the front fender already on the front fork, and the next step, we will put the front wheel on. So just put the front wheel. So the front wheel, we use the original drum brake reproduction with the wheel. Okay. So tighten the nut. The other side too. And fasten the brake arm. in order to avoid the bolt loosen. By the end, we put another nut to fix too. Okay, now we already assembled the front wheel, front fender on the fork, and you can see the whole bike like this, like now. 甲规台车来头壳啊，中途甲拍开。So you can see, and so the front end already assembled on the bike. So, but in this way, the next step, you can put the rear fender, rear wheel, transmission belt, and also the and also the chain into the rear side. We will introduce the next step soon.